Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rita Simplifies Tech. If you're new here, please consider subscribing because every week I'll be dropping how-to video tutorials on productivity softwares. And please let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you like to see from me and what kind of tutorials you like to see from me. And I'll try my very best to be dropping the videos for you every week. And without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. So today's video, we'll be talking about how I'll be showing you, how to download and use Google Chrome on a computer. So Google Chrome is like a go-to, especially from a web developer perspective, because I'm a web developer, and to see that it's very compatible with most of the functions and all that in when it comes to web development. It's a go-to for me whenever I have a laptop. I want to install Google Chrome as my browser and all that. So but nonetheless, every computer comes with a default browser. For MacBook, it's Safari. Safari is the default browser, this one here. And for PC, that is the Windows, is Internet Explorer. So I'm just going to open, just as I just did now. I just opened my Safari browser by clicking on it, and it opened a new tab for me. So I'm just going to type download Google Chrome and hit enter. So I'm going to go with this first option here where it said download now. I'm just going to click on it. It's from Google, so it's trusted. So I'm just going to click on it, download. Automatically it brought me to this page, and it's reading my operating system, showing that I'm using a MacBook. So if you are using a Windows, it will show you whether you are going to download it for 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. So you have to know which one your computer is actually using, so you'll be able to download the right thing. So since he has read mine and it's just one, I'm just going to click on the download Chrome button, and here it's asking me to select the version of Chrome that is right for my Mac. I'm not using the Mac with Intel chip, I'm using the Mac with Apple chip. So I'm just going to select it, and it is downloading. So if you see my downloads folder, you can see that this bar is moving, is loading. So that's to show you that it is downloading. And in case you want to see the instructions on how to do it, you can see the step 1, step 2, step 3. It also comes with the instruction on how to go about it. It's very, very, very simple, trust me. So it has finished downloading, and then I just have to click on my downloads folder, and then this is the Google Chrome.dmg file. That is, DMG is the extension for Mac executable files, unlike PC, that is if it were in PC, that's a Windows computer, it would have been .exe. So I'm just going to click on this, and it is opening Google Chrome.dmg. So it's trying to verify it. I'm just going to wait a little for it to complete verifying. It's not going to take long, and as you can see, it's almost done now. So once it's done, so what I have to do is just to drag this Google Chrome icon, drag it down to my applications folder. So I'm just going to click on it and drag it down there, and then release my hand from the mouse. And so it is copying Google Chrome to applications. I'm just going to wait for it to finish copying that, and in about 5 seconds, it's saying, or maybe less, it will finish doing that. So as you can see, it has done that for me. And even the instruction here is saying that the next step is for me to open my launchpad and type Chrome and launch the app. So I'm just going to go to my launch pad, and then here is Chrome, and then I'll just click on this to launch Chrome. And so you can see how how it is showing that it's loading here. So I will so what is asking me is saying Google Chrome is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? So I want to open it. Just click on open, and so it has opened my Google Chrome. So as you can see, it's very easy for you to download Google Chrome. These steps applies even if you are using Windows, but in case you want me to show you a video on how to do it on a Windows PC, please drop it in the comment section and I'll do a video on how to download Chrome on a PC. So yeah, our browser is ready, so we can just type maybe how to bake cake, for example. And here we are with a search result on how to bake cake. So that is just the very basic step of using the internet and the browser. Now I hope you do enjoy this video and you learned a thing or two on how to install a browser on your laptop. If you do enjoy it, drop a like and a comment telling me what you like most about this video. Even if you don't like the video, still drop a like and subscribe to our channel. There will be a video that you definitely love here on this channel, and I would like to hear from you what kind of tutorials you want me to share with you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.